Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back to you with another video tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock your phone just by shaking it. In our previous video I have showed you how to lock and unlock your phone just by waving your hand in front of the camera's proximity sensor, and today we'll show you how to lock and unlock your phone just by shaking it. To do that, we have to go to Play Store. Then on the search bar we have to search shake, lock and unlock. As you can see, I have already installed this app by Codificator. You have to download and install this app. I have already downloaded it, so we will open to proceed. To continue, you have to activate this device admin app. So it has already been activated, and now you have to switch it on. Now the Surface is running. Now if you shake this phone, then it will automatically unlock and lock. So that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, share and subscribe. Thank you.